If a plus 2ab plus b equal to 8, then what is the value of a plus b? To do this, we have to multiply this equation by 2. So this is going to be 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equal to 16. Now taking 2a common, we are getting 1 plus 2b here, and this is 2b, adding 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side this is going to be 17. Now taking common 1 plus 2b, so this is 2a plus 1 equal to 17. So this is 17 and this is 1, or this is 1, this is 17. So taking one value, we are getting 1 plus 2b equal to 17 and 2a plus 1 equal to 1. So from here we will get b equal to 8, and from here we will get a equal to 0. Therefore a plus b is going to be 8 plus 0, which is 8. So this is the answer.